And if you're in charge of your money, you can do the same thing with your money, whatever they are doing. Instead of getting small crumbs, you can have the whole enchilada there. So I wanted to ask you this question here. Many people are not aware that they can invest or leverage their 401k or their retirement accounts to invest in real estate syndications, like we were talking earlier before we started recording this podcast. So what approach they should be using, or what do's or don'ts they have to do in order to get started?
So first off, if you want to invest in any type of syndicated deal like a multifamily project, you need to understand that your payout is not upfront, right? I'm not going to make money today. An average multifamily deal is going to probably last about 5 years. Mm-hmm. Well, this means I'm going to get a big payoff in the end. Now, if you do the same investment personally, what happens is you end up draining your own personal bank account, money that you use to pay your bills, go on vacation, buy groceries.